How's it going, everyone? My name is Michael Joyce. I'm the founder of EMOTO Supply Co. We're here in our brand new Water Street flagship store. I'm here with Matthew.
Hello, I'm Matthew. I'm head of dealer operations and service here at EMOTO.
And today we're here to talk about a topic that's come up a lot in conversations recently with a variety of different customers, and that's really understanding different sizes of tires and the different widths of tires and how that impacts your decision when buying an e-bike. And so we've brought out 4 different models of e-bikes here from our lineup, as well as 4 different tire sizes and widths as well. So really, when you're in the market, you're going to have the diameter, which is the size of the rim. So we have a 16-inch here all the way up to a 26-inch fat tire here. And you're also going to have the width of that tire. You know, if you've seen a really high-end road bike before, they have very thin tires that take up very little surface area when riding. Then you have a standard road tire that would be wider than a high-end road tire. And then we're going all the way up to 3 or 4-inch fat tires that we have here. So I'm gonna let Matthew go ahead and walk you through these 4 different tires and really what implications each one of these has and what type of feel you're gonna get out of that tire.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the Jupiter X5 here. So that one has the smallest diameter wheel of 16 inches. For its actual tire width, that's gonna be like your standard width. It's nothing too big, not too thin. It is set up with a street tire. That street tire is gonna be ideal for street use, neighborhoods, stuff like that. With that smaller wheel size, that's gonna give you more compact design when it comes to your bike size, but it might give it a little more harsh ride, not as compliant. When we jump over to the Jupiter here, the Defiant, we go to a larger diameter wheel of 20-inch. Now with that larger diameter wheel, this bike also has a larger width tire. What that's gonna do is give you a more comfortable ride, and it's a little more multi-use. You can go on dirt, trails, you can go on your beach, stuff like that. It's also gonna give you a more comfortable ride. Then when we switch over to the Retrospect, again, we're changing that rim diameter to 26 inches. So now we're at a bigger wheel. That's gonna give you a little more ease of riding, a little more efficient riding. It's got a standard street tire, again, ideal for your neighborhood riding and stuff like that. And last but not least, the Murph over here has the same diameter of 26-inch, but we also go to a fat size tire, around 4 inches on the actual tire's width. Now that's gonna, again, be ideal for trails, beaches, stuff like that. And again, it's gonna add a lot more comfort and a lot more stability.
And so ultimately, at the end of the day, doing a demo ride will help you understand which tire makes the most sense for your daily use. But we see different preferences all the time. So like I'll get on a demo ride with the first time rider and they'll get on a road tire and won't have as much stability at lower speeds and feel a little bit more comfortable on a fat tire that just gives you a little bit more surface area and coverage and makes the start of your ride a little bit more stable, and also the tire's a little bit more heavy. And so really it all comes down to preference. Another question that we get asked a lot is, what can I ride on the beach? And so obviously we're here in Florida, we're about 30 minutes away from the beach. The best bet for beach use is going to be a fat tire. Has a wider surface area when rolling on soft sand, and will help you get through some of those other types of terrains where this road tire will kind of sink into the sand. So again, really comes down to really your preference. I would suggest going to your nearest bike shop and doing a couple different demo rides on smaller and larger diameter tires, and also a standard road tire to a fat tire. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. We also are building out an entire suite of educational e-bike content for first-time buyers. So if you want to check out our channel, we have Battery Basics 101, what is pedal assist. There's a bunch of different topics that we're diving into here throughout 2025. We have 12 different brands under our roof here at EMOTO Supply Co. And most of these brands we can actually ship directly to your home. Or if you're local to the Tampa Bay area, feel free to stop in the store. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Check out our website, rideemoto.com. And thank you for tuning in.